The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Rear spoiler. The Z06 comes standard with a rear spoiler that has adjustable features and elements designed to improve the high-speed stability and cornering capabilities on the racetrack. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Wide stance. The performance envelope of the Z06 is built upon the Stingray Corvette's foundation. Now having a 3.6-inch wider stance helps accommodate the massive 345 series tires. It also allows more airflow and handling to be the supercar on the track and the roadway. Exhaust. The unique rear fascia also features centered floating exhaust bezels. This floating design was key to the precise tuning in the exhaust note. The wider rear fender also allows for the larger air intakes required for the car's cooling. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.